This meeting is being recorded.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, how are you, everyone? Can you please turn on your cameras po? And then unmute yourselves and say, Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Hello. Thank you so much, guys, for booking and for coming in very early sa iba and on time. So without further ado, let's start with a check-in question. Alright, so are you guys ready? Pa-heart react naman dyan. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. So our question is very easy lang po and quick lang ito. So I'll put it in the chat box para na lang din sa lahat doon na makikita nila na understand. So yan. Kung nabasa nyo sa chat box, the question is, what motivates you to pursue a career as a virtual assistant? Ayan. So, let's do, ano na lang po, volunteer. Can we have a volunteer? 3 volunteers. You can raise your hand and share to everyone your answer. Huwag na po tayong mahiya dahil ang mga virtual assistants po, walang hiya. Okay. Magka-countdown po ako kung wala magbo-volunturo po ako. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayan. So, I will choose Bal. Good afternoon, Bal. Sige. The question po, what motivates you to pursue a career as a virtual assistant?
Maybe for I think more time in the family mo.
That's it po. Thank you so much. Yeah, I agree. Working from home is a blessing din kasi nga you can work from home and then kasama pa yung family mo. Thank you so much, Bal. Another sharer. Sige po, go ahead, Jose.
Hi, good afternoon. For this question, it would be my family, and I also want to be like financially stable sooner or later. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you so much. And then last sharer, may I call on Agnes. Agnes, are you there? Ayun, amazing. Bilis niyang na-type. Yun yung kanyang answer. Kung yun kita. Convenient and hassle-free po and higher income, I guess. You guess it right. But depends lang no, sa opportunity kung paano siya nag-grab. But, ayan, thank you so much sa mga nag-volunteer na mag-answer sa ating quick check-in question. So, again, pa-heart react ulit if ever excited na kayo to learn more about our talk for today. Ayan, thank you so much. Okay, so let me introduce our speaker for today. She's an entrepreneur, the owner of Dunkin' Diner, and recently opened her other business po, the Aya Boutique. And then, she's the founder of the Limitless Wealth, a licensed financial planner and wealth specialist at FWB Life Philippines, and of course, the owner and the CEO of the profile. Help me welcome our CEO, Kenneth Dale Comidoy. Let's give her a round of applause.
Alrighty, thank you so much, Tio. Let me just probably mute. I think may naka-unmute na. Sino ba siya? Alrighty, ayan. Thank you so much, everyone. And by the way, welcome. Welcome to our very, very quick webinar. No, yeah. So I'm sure that probably some of you here is invited by probably one of our affiliates or you saw my Facebook page. That being said, I would love to honor and acknowledge you for being here this afternoon. I'm sure na parang there are some of you here na nasa work pa, may iba nag-DM sa akin na if it's okay to review the live and so on. So honoring you everyone for saying yes to this. That just means that you're really interested into becoming a VA. If you are, type naman ng heart. Type heart, pa-heart react or pa-type 1 sa comment section. Ayan. I want it to be as interactive as possible. Ayan. Perfect. I'm seeing familiar faces here. May iba naman first time ako nakita. Sino ba dito first time ako nakita? Ayan. Raise of hand. Ayan. Thank you so much for acknowledging that, Jose. By the way, ayan. Thank you. Thank you. And it's okay because it's a tie. First time ko din po kayong nakita. So, it's a tie. Ayan. So, again, welcome. And as we mentioned, no, this is very quick webinar because I just thought of, like, naisip ko lang naman talaga to post, you know, who among my Facebook friends would want to become a VA or interested of what VA is. And I'm sure parang narinig nyo, may iba dito siguro hindi pa familiar. Ano ba talaga ang VA? Ano bang ginagawa ng VA? Ano ba ang opportunity? Ayan, nagkakaproblema lang ako sa screen ko sandali. But, alrighty. Ayan. So, by the way, rinig po ba ako clearly? Rinig lang. Okay, sige po. So, doon sa mga ngayon pa po ako nakita. Ngayon ko lang din po nakita. Ayan, so let me just introduce myself very quickly. Ayan, pwede na po natin ibaba yung mga kamay natin. Ayan. So, by the way, welcome again. It's Mastering Virtual Assistance webinar. And here we're going to highlight what or how we could support you in the profile. So, we have actually the profile sourcing and the profile academy, which might support you in this journey. All right. So, since this is a free webinar, so this is just actually like, this will just only give you an idea of what VA is and how could it be beneficial probably to each and every one. But that being said, ayan, pakilala ko lang po ulit. Parang hindi po nakikita yung screen ko, no? Alright. Sige, teka lang. Nagkakaproblema tayo. Sige. Before that, siguro, I'd love to ask muna TM Noelna. Are you there, TM? While my screen
Yes,
is
Miss
not
Ken.
awesome. All right, sige TM, ganito na lang po muna. What are your experiences? Anything that you can share? By the way, TM Noelna is my previous high school classmate. Previous bakit? May current ba? My high school classmate. Ayan. So, high school classmate ko siya and then, yeah, siguro siya na lang magkwento paano ba naging part siya ng the profile. All right, go ahead, TM.
Yeah, so good afternoon, everyone, and honoring you all for joining the webinar today. So, yep, my name is Noelna, and I'm a former teacher, and I quit my 4 years job. Not that I don't like teaching. I really love teaching, but dumating ako sa point na na-burn out ako hindi dahil sa pagtuturo kundi dahil sa yung system ng school namin, yung private school namin before. So yun, na-burn out ako tapos time ng pandemic din yun. Then I really step into like a changing moment in my life na I quit teaching job and I timing na nakita ko yung post ni Miss Ken about putting up her her company, the profile. Tapos, nung mga araw din yun, I'm enrolled in Demi's course, like it's another course as well. Tapos sa sarili ko, alam kong kaya kong maging virtual assistant, but I don't have that skills and enough talent na makipag-sales talk sa mga clients na foreigner like yan. So yeah, I saw my classmate and I know na kaya ni Ken na makipag-sales talk, and this is the like TP will become the vehicle yung makakatulong sa akin para ma-achieve ko or ma, ma makuha ko yung mga gusto kong client, which is now I have currently more than 5 clients here in the profile. And yeah, dito lang sa bahay, but yeah, I'm living my I'm going to like parang dun ako sa moment na I am going to live my dreams na because of working in virtual assistant career. So yeah.
Awesome. Thank you so much, TM Noel. Na at dahil dyan, pinapalakpakan po yan. Palakpakan po yung may 5 clients ka. Kayang-kaya, TM. Alrighty,
Yes.
so thank you. By the way, TM Noelna is one of our really rock star VAs. He's really one of the best. So no wonder why binabalik-balikan talaga siya ng mga clients, or clients referring from time to time with her because of the quality that she has as well. So ano ba yung mga quality na yun? So tulad nga ng sabi ko kanina, I'm really sorry, there are really technicalities a while back, but yeah, I would love to again introduce myself. Tulad nga ng sabi ni T. Omar, I am Ken. So my team call me Miss Ken. I'm an entrepreneur. So the profile, I'm the CEO of the profile. I became a CEO at the age of 24. So okay lang bang magyabang? Okay lang ba? Ayan, magyayabang na ako kasi this is something that I'm really proud of. Something that I worked hard with, whatever I have today. Because it's very cliche if I would say this is not to brag but to inspire. If it sounds bragging to you, then let it be, because I'm really just proud of whatever things I have gone through. That involves, again, because of the profile, I was able, or me and my husband, we were able to build up a restaurant. It's called Denken Diner. So we have the Limitless Wealth. Right now, I'm in my boutique shop, so it's Aya Boutique. It's named after our child, and then we're also a content creator. But of course, apart from that, what I am also very proud of is that the journey that I had before when I started becoming a virtual assistant, because because of that, I was able to build up a food cart business, house and lot. There are people who are actually connected with me on Facebook here, right? Kilala ako na personal level. And I have like kita nila, my cousin is here. Alam nila like this is really a real story. Hindi to just for hype or so on, but we were really able to accumulate whatever we have right now, all of the assets that we have right now because of this career. All right. So we were able to, we were able to have our dream prenup, garden wedding car, the marketing agency, we have the restaurant, real estate, and a lot more. So hindi ko na dinagdag pa yung wala nang space. But why am I so proud of these achievements? Because what I am actually gonna share with you this afternoon is this is where we started. Like having the right, like alam mo, lahat naman tayo may goals. Sino ba dito yung walang goals? Paki-type exit meeting. Ayan. Paki-click yung exit meeting dito kung wala kang goal kasi you are in the wrong meeting room. Alright? Kasi I want to talk with people who has goals. And that being said, lahat ng, as I've mentioned, lahat ng assets that we have right now, it started with having the right vehicle. And that right vehicle is the career that I chose to have, which I am still enjoying at this point in time. And that is, becoming a virtual assistant. So ano nga ba, no? Alam ko, also people in your circle who are VAs already, and nakikita nyo na parang, they have really like a good career and so on. But, it's still boils down as to how are you going to become a great one. Like, nasa sa inyo pa rin po. Tulad nga ng sabi ni T.O. Marsha, nakadepende pa rin siya sa inyo. But by the way, just to give you like a quick review, back on 2016, since I cannot proceed with my ano nga tawag doon, TM, pag last na, like, pag teaching yung,
Practicum.
practicum. Yeah, kinalimutan. yung structure sa school. Yeah, I cannot proceed with my practicum because meron akong 3 subjects lacking because I went to Japan for a vacation, blah, blah, blah. So, to cut the long story short, I actually look for a job kasi ayaw ko naman din na parang tambay lang, walang ginagawa. So, me being that tindera sa school, me being that very active when it comes to really earning and so on. So, I did find a job. I did look for a job. And I'm not sure if you are familiar. May nakikinig ako sa background na parang nag-video. Ayan. Akala ko kakanta ako eh. Okay. So, but yeah, I looked for a job. I actually applied for a call center. So, I don't know if you're familiar with SSI and also in Alorica. And, the interview was okay. I actually got hired. But I'm just so blessed kasi nga may naisip namin yung cousin ng husband ko who is a VA. Tapos sabi ng mother niya na ang client niya daw is an Australian, tapos they are only working from home. So syempre me, parang hoy, that really sounds interesting. Sino ba dito yung naging interested to book an appointment this afternoon because you wanted to have like a work from home? Yung pagod ka na pagod ka na gumising ng 5 a.m. to prepare, tapos nakikipagsiksikan ka pa 7 a.m. with all of the students around, with all of the employees around, tatakbo ka pa makasakay, makakommute, tapos ngayon, umuulan palagi, 'di ba? Ang hirap makasakay. So, ayan, I'm seeing hands. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for acknowledging that, this is the probably the change that you are looking for. And yun na rin yung parang naisip ko na, wow, this is very convenient opportunity. So, to cut the long story short, I applied, I got a job. But, alam nyo, first day of work, I can really remember, I really told my boyfriend at that time, which is my husband right now, I really told him na, I think this career is not for me. Kasi nga, I started parang 8 a.m. Tapos natapos ako sa work. Kasi nga, first time ko and there was no like really training, like really exact training. Parang, sige, parang sinalang lang kami and so on. And I finished my work at 8 p.m. So parang imagine the 12 hours, tapos parang nangangapa pa and so on. And by the way, that is my first and last job. So, but I'm very, very thankful that, I didn't quit at that moment because, if I quit at that point, I don't know if we are going to have this webinar this very afternoon. And this is like, I would just love to share, this is the humble beginning that I had. And yun nga yun, if you have goals in life, kailangan kasi may right vehicle ka in order for you to achieve those goals. I've been to a lot as well. I've been to network marketing myself. Even right now, I do have a lot of hustles. But the bread and butter and parang nagsanga-sanga na lang yung mga whatever business we do have because of the opportunity that I had in the digital marketing space. And right now, parang blessed na ako kasi, everything that I've learned for the past I started 2016, for the past few years was really like the trend as of this day. Like, almost everyone that I know gustong maging VA and curious maging VA, and hopefully I can answer some of like the questions that you have in mind if it's your first time, and if you are also naman someone na already in the field, so let's see how we can actually support you. All right, so yun lang naman yung konting story ko about myself. Ayan. So before we continue, I'd love to I'd love to do some check-in. Ayan. Sige. Coach, ayan, meron ako mga kakilala dito eh. Ayan. Coach Mark, hi Coach. Ayan. Unmute naman Coach if you're here.
Hello.
But ayan, hi Coach. Coach, what makes you book an appointment this afternoon? Curious lang ako.
Well, just like everyone or somebody mentioned earlier na parang sa akin, since nasa IT field ako, so parang tama, parang medyo saturated or na burnout na sa mga ginagawa right now. But parang sabi ko, if ever man I go into another career, somehow related pa rin sa IT or kumbaga sa computer. So, ito yung naisip ko. At the same time, yung parang gusto ko yung perks na, yun nga, anywhere, basta may wifi or may connectivity, ay makapag-work tayo. Yun lang.
Alrighty. Thank you so much, Coach Mark. Ayan, gusto ko yan. Gusto ko yan kahit, anywhere, basta may wifi, madadala mo talaga yung work. Kasi probably there are some of you here na parang, especially right now, like the most and the most challenging when it comes to health that the world has been dealing with is mental health issues. Lalo na ngayon. And, sometimes gusto natin ng break and we need a break. But apparently, we cannot do that anytime because, yun nga, kailangan ka pa mag-file ng leave at hindi pa sure if ma-approve siya. So, I think that's also one of the perks. Yeah, tama yung sabi ni Coach Mark. One of the perks na, you can bring your work wherever you wanted. As long as, of course, yun nga, may internet connection. So, thank you so much, Coach Mark. And siguro, sino ba dito yung siguro si Mark, sabi niya kanina na it's correlated to the skill set that he has right now. Pero sino yung tulad ko na hindi naman gaanong ka-techie back then, right now, hindi naman gaanong ka-techie and hindi talaga related sa course na kinuha. By the way, I am undergraduate by choice. So, that's also what I love probably with this industry because hindi sila they are just looking at your skill set. Wala akong client by far nagtanong sa akin, what's your educational background? By far sa lahat ng na deal namin na mga clients So that's just, one of the things that I like probably. Yeah, correct ka, Coach. Madaming gahanap ng ITs. Sige. Ganito na lang. Let me just go back to my screen and alrighty. Awesome. Sige. So, ayan, siguro, ayan, nagkakagulo tayo. Ayan. So, eto nga, siguro one of the things that I'm also, kasi kakagawa ko lang ng slides na ito. So, I just had a quick look, one of the things siguro na parang gustong-gusto ko talaga when I started this journey is that, slowly, natitreat ko na yung parents ko back then, that was 2016, and siguro one of the greatest achievement that I had is that I was able to build up a house for my mom. Ayan, may pa-mute na lang po muna. Sige lang. Bibigyan ko kayo ng time later on to unmute yourself. Okay. So, yeah, those are just, the privileges that I had personally. Now, entering the world of virtual assistants can be a rewarding career choice. But, for today's video po, magiging honest din ako sa inyo. Alright? Okay lang ba maging honest? Type 2. Ayan. Type 2 if okay lang ba maging honest. Alright. Thank you so much, everyone. Keep it coming. Ayan. Thank you. It is a rewarding career, but it's a challenging one as well. That's why you have to have the right path and the right ladder in order for you to really become successful in this field. Kasi tulad po ng any other industry, wala naman po siguro sa mundong ito na, parang wala ka nang gagawin. There would be no hard work and yet you will become successful. Kung ganun po, scam po yan. Okay? So, lahat talaga paghihirapan. Okay? So, that's why for this afternoon, I'll go by with, what are the tips that I can give being in the industry for quite some time and handling, almost 42 people in our team at this moment. So, what are my practical tips that I can give you if you really wanted to venture out this career? All right? First and foremost, understand the role of a VA. Sino ba dito, honestly, hindi nila alam ano ba ang trabaho ng isang VA? Pa-type ako ng ako. Ayan, type ako in the comment section. Yung honest lang talaga. Parang narinig lang nila, okay, VA, pero medyo hindi nila alam ano pa talagang ginagawa. Ayan, thank you so much, Jundel, Jose, Bal, Myra. Ayan, thank you so much for that. By the way, becoming a virtual assistant, since from the word itself, virtual, it's like in a certain business owner, some are business owners, some are just they are also professionals abroad that they just wanted to delegate some of their tasks. So eventually they wanted to have someone who could support them like an EA, like an executive assistant, but we're gonna handle it virtually. So that's for general virtual assistant. Okay, so may mga administrative tasks such as, for example, may mga data na gusto nilang ma-organize. So, they would need your support as a VA to do that. Some are very specific, such as social media management. Like ngayon, if your business is not online, it's a small-time business. And a lot, that really, matagal ko na yung naririnig, but, that is really 100% true during the pandemic. Your business should be online. Alam yan ng mga, business owners abroad. So most of the clients, by the way, if not all, right now, all of our clients are from different places around the globe. We have clients from US, Australia, UK, may iba from Asia, but most likely doon na mga na countries, no? So eventually they needed support. So that's the role of a virtual assistant. Some do content creation. So when we say content creation, sila yung would gonna do the posting to promote the client's business. Ayan. May iba naman very specific, such as, for example, so under pa rin siya, though very specific, but under pa rin siya sa VA, for example, bookkeeping. Ayan. So if you are an accountant, so pwede talaga siya kahit anong niche ka, but later on, we will tackle more about that. So you have to understand the role of a VA. Ayan. So yung mga nag-type ako, nalinawagan. Is it clear? Ayan. Was it clear, my explanation? So, very lang, just to make it awesome. Ayan. Okay. Next is eto. You have to identify your strength. Kasi po, masasabi ko talaga, if not all, majority can be VA, but you have to identify your strengths. You have to identify your core gift. What are you good at? What are you naturally good at? For example, if you are good in, you are an artist, ngayon siguro napaka-swerte lang because there are already a lot of platforms and tools that would gonna allow us to be creative na hindi na gaano ka-technical, such as before, when you are a graphic designer, usually Photoshop lang talaga. Right now, we have Canva. Alright, so you can be as creative as you can through those platforms. T.O. Marsha, can I have you as the host po and then pa-mute na lang ako, coach? I mean,
Sure.
thank you. Ayan. And then, pa-share na lang din ako ng screen, T.O. Allow me to share screen. Alright, thank you. Sige. So that I can focus on. Okay, sige. So you have to identify, what are your core strengths. Now, the question, what if Miss Ken, I don't have one yet. Hindi ko pa alam kasi nga this is the first time. Then that is where the profile could support you. Because whether you like it or not, hindi ka pa pumasok ng isang career. Tulad lang ng, for example, if you wanted to become a doctor, you have to, to study 9 years to become one. If you wanted to become a lawyer, same thing. If you wanted to become a teacher, 4 years. All right. So if you wanted to become a VA as well, you also have to study and do whatever it takes to grow your skill set. So that's why in the profile, we do have the Profile Academy. And we are already opening the third batch for our the Profile Academy. And later on, T.O. Marsha would gonna share some of the feedback that our, students do have. And to be honest po, if you are really like interested to become a VA and you just don't have the skill set, but you believe that you have like the eagerness, the passion, and at the same time to do whatever it takes para maging expert sa field na ito, I would really say that you really have to be part or to really take step in order for you to become one. Ayan. So, yeah, T.O., pwede bang ma-share mo po dito yung link ng ating academy? Ayan.
Yes.
So, back then, hindi naman namin, like ako personally, I don't have the luxury of time and energy to do courses back before. Parang hindi ko siya naisip. But when I actually saw our vision, our mission in the profile, and that is to give thousands of opportunities to Filipinos, naisip ko, ano namin gagawin if, Filipinos don't have the right skill set to be one. So that's why we started to launch the Profile Academy. It's really an intensive course. It's a live course, by the way. Madami namang madami namang courses out there. Mostly sa pagkakaalam ko it's video and there's no push. In the Profile Academy, we do assignments. Like we are really gonna teach you like the internal processes that we even service to our clients that worth dollars. All right. So sige, later on I'll speak more about it. Next is specialize or find your niche. So eto nga, you have to know what are your core strengths. So yeah, for example, kunyari you don't have the skill set just yet for a certain skills such as, for example, social media. Pero mataas yung years of experience mo in, let's just say, real estate industry. So probably if you already got like the skill set of a VA, you can serve real estate clients and napakadami po. Or you can serve coaches, you can serve restaurants, so whatever niche that you do have. So you have to know like saan ka ba mas taas yung experience mo in a certain industry. Next is skill development. So ito very important. Like even ourselves, even kami nila Tiam Noelna, T.O. Marsha, and everyone in here na part ng TP. Ayan. So we always do upskilling. Kasi po, technology in itself is very fast changing. Like you have to be innovative as much as you can in order for you to, para makasakay ka pa din sa market. Kasi if not, like what was the greatest mistake of Nokia? Diba? They were not innovative enough. Even if they are the greatest brand back then, hindi sila naging innovative enough. Then what happened? Wala din, 'di ba? So ganun din 'yun. You have to, especially to those people here na wala pa talagang skill set, you really have to, to work hard in order for you to actually have the right skill set in place. The next one is build a professional online presence. And this is like, to be honest, medyo hard siya as a VA because saturated yung market. And this is the reason why we will be supporting all our graduates, all our existing experts through the profile sourcing. So by the way, baka nalilito na kayo, no? The profile is the mother company that we do have, and it has branches. Part of that branches, first is we have the Profile Academy. So the Profile Academy, this is where we will be teaching Filipinos who wanted to enter into the space but don't have the expertise. So it's a course that we are offering. The profile sourcing naman is if you are an existing freelancer and you wanted to have a community and parang nakaka-exhaust na nakakahanap ka ng client kasi nga clients don't last long, especially if that's actually one of the reality of work as a VA. Very challenging talaga yung client retention. All right, since you are a freelancer, so they could decide anytime na parang, okay, let's not ano muna kasi mahina yung business, or they are just not getting any value out of your service. So that's why it's very important that you really have a good portfolio. And if kakasimula mo pa lang, it's very challenging po. Like TM Noel na, sabi niya kanina, 'di ba, she attended a course that is much more expensive than what we do offer. And for how many months talagang naghanap siya? Tama ba ako, TM? Correct me if I'm wrong. Nakahanap ka ba ng client or wala?
Wala. Wala.
Thank you, TM. And then, what we have supported her was, of course, we teach her how we do or how we serve our clients. And then we are also the one who gave her the client to start with in the in the space. And etong online presence na ito, or the profile sourcing, is what we're going to do is we will gonna build up a website. At sa website na yun, nandun na yung portfolio mo, intro video, resume. So it's very easy. We will also gonna market the platform, of course, because that's our business. We will gonna market the platform. And then once the client would, and honestly po, like right now, we have tons of inquiries from our clients kasi hindi pa namin launch yung website. So what we do right now is parang manually, connecting client and VA. But when the profile sourcing would gonna launch, the website of the profile sourcing, the client will just gonna log in our platform, and then they will gonna choose who they want to interview. It's very simple. So that is where we're going to support you in your VA journey. Next one is network and collaborate. So it's very important that you really have the right circle in place. One of the things na bakit tayo nababurn out in our work, kasi wala naman talagang work na hindi nakakapagod. Nakakapagod naman talaga. But I think with all of the most of the team members that I actually work with, the very reason why they were burned out is because of the network that they have, because of the culture that they do have. And that's what we are trying really to preserve in our company. Like really having that kind of culture that supportive culture as much as possible, fun, and at the same time, you could be creative as you can be. All right? So, tama ba ako? Pa-type naman sa mga, sino ba dito ang, team, CTM Novel na, T.O. Marshall. So, I think, kayo lang dalawa na dito. Alrighty. Ayan. Pa-type naman if yes. And, sige lang, later on, by the way, I think T.O. Marshall already sent our website. Nandun po yung live testimonies ng aming mga team members and graduates. Okay? Ng the Profile Academy. Next is start small and grow. So begin by taking on smaller projects or clients to gain experience and build a client base. And over time, as you gain confidence and expertise, you can expand your services and take on more significant projects. Lahat naman siguro na industry, all you just have to do is start. Yun naman talaga yun. So next is time management and boundaries. So this is really one of the challenges ng lahat ng mga VAs, is that once you get to have like a lot of clients already, medyo challenging na yung how can I manage or prioritize, my tasks and this and that. And I think, again, it boils down to having the right team in place, having the right support in place that can tap on when it comes to really having that kind of career. And then, of course, provide excellent customer service. So, eto talaga. This is very important, no? This is what I'm really telling my team every time. Even if the clients don't see us, they can feel if we're valuable or not. And you have to become irreplaceable. So, you have to give, your all excellently. Yun naman talaga yon. Next is continuous learning and adaptability. So yun nga yun, always upskill yourself, invest in tools and technology. Now, eto rin yung isa sa mga challenges if you do freelancing on your own, because you have to invest on your own. Or if not, the client will gonna do that. But in the profile, like we as a company, we invest in tools and in technologies that would gonna support the productivity of our team. Alrighty. And then seek feedback, and improve. So if there's one culture that we do have as well in TP is that we always give honest feedback, and feedbacking is something that we're really good at. So, because that would gonna help us to really, improve ourselves and improve whatever we can offer in the market. Okay, so before I actually proceed, I'd love to check in. Ayan. Can I ask Eldrian, Patrick, Valencia, your thoughts? What's your aha moment, Eldrian? What are you learning so far? What are you
So
excited about?
yeah, so I am excited about the opportunity that it might give us, or something that we might learn during this webinar. And so far, I have learned that it's not really easy to have a client that can support you, or someone that can give you the expected uh your expected learnings. So it's just like you're learning for yourself, and you're learning to give your best to the client that you might have in the future. And so far, I have seen that most of us is surely needed to uh, search for our own equipments and our own skills. So maybe for now, we need to scale up ourselves. Yes, so that's my views so far.
Alrighty, thank you so much, Eldrian. Yeah, sa simula po talaga, like it would really be hard. Wait lang, may narinig ako. Teka lang ha. Mute ko lang. Franz, could you mute yourself?
Okay.
Ayan. Thank you. Ayan. So, yeah. Totoo talaga na sa simula, mahirap talaga siya. Lalo na kapag wala kang support system. Lalo na kapag you do it on your own. So, yeah, hopefully, no, we can really support you along the way with this journey. Kasi iba rin talaga if ever you have people in place. Sabi nga dito, no, yeah, the question is where to start. So sabi ni Satoru na lang, ang hirap i-pronounce ng name niya. Individually, we are one drop. Together, we are an ocean. So that's why it's very important to have really like the right team in place, the right support system. And yeah, so that being said, gusto ko lang i-highlight very quickly what can we offer and what we do have, how can we support you in this journey. So I believe T.O. Marsha was able to send already our website. So eventually, in the profile academy, we would really gonna support you when it comes to allowing you to have like the basic skills that is needed as a VA. It's an intensive training, by the way. It's a 1 month, day to day, Mondays to Fridays, intensive training. So these are actually, the courses that we're going to offer. Week 1, become a rockstar VA. Week 2, unleashing your inner creative genius. Week 3, we have mastering the art of social media, how to become a social media superstar. Week 4, the secret weapons of a VA, unlocking the power. And of course, we have some bonus skill set. So yeah, you can check out, the testimonies of our team members. You could check out, their experiences being in our business. So it has videos over here. And I have a good news kasi we just actually had the early bird last October 31. Tama ako, T.O.? That was the last one. But right now, we are offering the early bird pricing for today. Anyone who would gonna enroll today, we would gonna offer our early bird. And, hindi na ako magsasalita with regards to ROI. Just, I think I've said much of how much this career allowed me to have whatever I have today. And I think Noel na as well and T.O. Marsha as well. They also have their stories to tell, but it is actually presented on our website, so you can just have a look at it. And yeah, I think I'm open right now to questions. Kasi napakadaming nagdi-DM sa akin and I don't have the luxury of time na isa-isahin. So it's a perfect time for you to ask questions, whatever questions you do have, I'm very open to answering it. I still have 15 minutes. Alrighty. Just feel free to unmute yourselves. Any questions?
Isa-isa lang po, wag sabay-sabay. Medyo maingay na masyado yung room natin.
Nagkakagulo no? Nagkakagulo. By the way, lahat ba dito may Tagalog ba? Pa-type 1 naman po. May Tagalog? Wala. Ay, meron. Ay, meron ba? Wala. Saya may tagtanan diri. Grabe ha. Struggle kay ko from hala kakatawanan. Struggle kay ko from the start up until this point in time. Pero Bisaya daytang tanan nalaganahan ko kay bisdak daytang tanan diri. Ano karon pamanday ko nang utana? Bisaya di ayo, Bisaya ko sir. Bisaya kaayo. Sige, okay, there are questions over here. When is the last day for registration? All right. Our class would gonna start on November 13. So the last day of enrollment would be November 10. Tama ako, Tio. Yeah. November 10, so next Friday. Pero po, if you wanted to avail the early bird course, then today po yung only today ang aming i-offer. Kasi last namin dapat October 31, but we have extended it today. Kasi ngayon ko lang din naisip na mag-webinar. Ayan. So hopefully that answered your question, Noemi. If I would like to avail the course, okay. How much is the enrollment fee? Okay, sige, flash ko lang ulit yung screen ko ha. Ay, by the way, kita ba yung screen ko kanina when I actually flashed the website? Kita naman. Okay, perfect. Ayan po. So the early board, ganong board magyud. The early bird is 2,849 and regular price is 3,429. Makakuha lang mo isa ka kliyente times na, di na lang mag-ingon. Kung pila ang ROI ninyo. And by the way ha, I personally have been doing upskilling courses. I've enrolled 12,000 course and then we only meet once every 2 weeks. Tapos it's an online course. So yeah, this one is a live seminar. It's a live webinar and I think sige, mag-ano na lang ako sa mga details niya, no? Duration would be November 13 to December 8, Monday to Friday, 7 p.m. onwards. Now, dili man lang ma-worry if ever like nami before na ay ka ng due to religion, dili siya maka-join of every Friday, I think. So, we provide recording. And your recording is actually, it's a lifetime access. So, it would be a Zoom sessions. And then there would be practical exercises and assignment. Like we will really push you to do and start what is needed to be started for you to become an expert in the field. And then of course, as I've mentioned, networking opportunities. We will also be the one who will gonna, sell you up in the market. But of course, you would also have the luxury to find your own clients. So, di ba, hitting two birds in one stone. Ganon. Right? So hopefully that answered the question. Anything else? Ay, nakaano dito ni Jean. Okay, sige. Meron pa po bang tanong? Sige, you wanted to know, like, sige, very quick na lang. I would just love to share some of our clients' feedback working with us. So this is actually the kind of branding we are trying to protect. I would say that's why we are also making sure na our team members are really skillful enough. All right, so let me just share my screen. Very quickly lang. I think my question na. Sige, balikan kita later, Jet. Ay, si Jet Mandaini. Okay, wait lang. Teka lang ha, balikan ko po questions nyo. Ay, Bisaya, lagi tang tanan din, no? Wait lang. Alrighty. Very quick lang. It's a 17-minute video, so medyo taas-taas, but I'll just show some.
Hey everybody, Calvin Smith here. We are so happy to continue our
This
work
means
with the profile
then,
and everyone there over this last year.
yung
You
inbox
guys have been
niya.
amazing. Kendall, you've put together an awesome team and y'all should be very proud of the work that you're doing. We were really excited about moving forward with you guys throughout 2021 and into next year. Just real quickly, some of the team members that have done an awesome
This
job for
client
us
is
this
still
year.
working with us.
Justin, Julie, and John on our cold call team have done an amazing
Since
job and
2020.
helped us build that part of our business. Michael and Glenn are doing great work for us on our LinkedIn profiles and really helping us build our network there. Kevin is doing an awesome job for us on the Fanatics team, on the marketing team, has stepped up in a lot of ways and is an invaluable team member for our marketing team. And then our newest member, Charlton, who's on the Signorama team, has been a great addition and is really helping us out there. So everyone's doing an amazing job. Of course, we have Casson, who's running our ScaleSource business for us. And we're really excited to see what he's able to accomplish there through 2021. And yeah, we're just really happy to have everyone to be part of our team and the work that you guys do. It's amazing. Just the attitudes and work ethic and willingness to jump in wherever needed has been great. It really shows the leadership that you guys have there with Kendall and everybody. So thank you so much for the work that you've done. We're really excited to continue moving forward with you. And hopefully this time next year we'll be in the Philippines celebrating at next year's anniversary. So thanks so much. We look forward to talking soon and keep up the great work.
Ayan.
Hey guys, just want to
Napakadami pa po,
congratulate
actually.
you on your 30th anniversary of
Ayan, so probably i-share na lang natin,
for
TO,
opening up
yung
my
ano,
business
yung
and
ako na lang.
have a great
Ayan.
catch up.
Alright, so this is actually like testimonials of our clients working with us. Sige, meron ng mga questions. Ano? Okay, let me just pull over your questions. Okay, what's your personal challenge working with a client? Ako po ba? Or like as an agency or personally? Sige, personally, there would really, like you cannot please everybody. That's one of the challenges. Even if you are skillful enough, it's a matter of like sharing the right energy to the right people. But the good thing is if you are really like valuable and you really, you really do have like the skill set that they are asking for, then I believe they would really gonna retain. Pero kahit pa nga, yun nga yung sabi ko, even if you are really a great one, that's why yun talaga yung greatest challenges sa field na ito. Unlike kung may work ka, 'di ba? You have a contract na ganito, bisan gani so na regular work na gani ka nang contractual lang, 'di ba? So pero like you have really the great relationship to your client and at the same time valuable jud ka, they would not really, gonna get rid of you. So kana siya. And siguro one of the things also if you are a freelancer, isa sa mga challenges is naa yung mga kliyente nga dili mamayad. So that's also one of the thing that the good thing about having an agency is that even if kami kabalo gyud ang team nako ani, even if there are clients that won't pay us if natrabaho gyud sa team, what me choice per tabang amo gyud silang bayaran. It's because I honor their effort. I honor what they've put in. So kana siya. Hopefully, Jeff, tama ako ang just send your follow-up question if there's still By the way, we're live on Facebook, so anyone who wanted to actually ask questions via Facebook Live, just comment into the comment section. And also, if you wanted to actually unmute yourself, feel free to unmute yourself, ha? Dito mga ulaw kay mube na ang mga VA dapat pagagnawong. Tiwaso na lang ako ni OM, then I'll give the floor to you. Okay, so is it necessary to enroll or take courses for those who is first time in the field? Yes po. If you wanted to become part of our team, it's necessary. Because I don't think na you can pwede naman siguro you can do YouTube or unsa, pero I don't think that would be enough for you to really get the skill set as AVA ana. So kato, it's necessary para maging part ka sa team namo ha. All right. So question, Miss Ken. Uy, mo. Natay si Sir Dende. Question, Ken, 100 ka hanggang normal tapos 100 ka na ipit. Oh, sir. Naday siya pangutana pang sa mong shop, no? Is little over 1 year worth of experience enough to start as a full-fledged VA? Been working as a project-based freelancer for a while. Sorry if I'm not sure if I got your question right. Is it enough na may 1 year experience ka ba to become a full-time VA? Depende din siya of the kind of experiences you have and the kind of skill set. Because based on my experience, depende gyud. I cannot speak for you, Eldrian. So, it depends on how confident you are at the same time in getting like full-time VAs. By the way, if you have skill set in place already and so on, you can actually try to fill out the profile sourcing. I think gibutang ni TO diri ang ano. So try to apply pero kato siya if you don't have the skill set needed yun siya na mag-undergo ka og training. Next, I think wala na. Okay, I'll give back the floor to OM Sherwin.
Uh, just to share yung add to what you had answered actually in the question kung yung personal challenge working with a client, and tayo na lang po na kuning is 1 year enough, no? 1 year of experience enough ba nga maging full-fledged VA ka? There's a saying that goes, there's no kanang gitawag one skill fits all campaign or work. There is no such thing also as unsay challenge and difficulties they mo might be the same to the other because lahi na siya. But if you are in the space of working sa una in a corporate setup and then mag-transition into virtual, I'm pretty sure I can relate to you because I have been in the corporate setup for more than a decade. Tapos nag-shift into VA. One thing that I can advise is that you need really to upskill yourself as far as the requirements or kanang needs sa imong kliyente. Again, dili siya kanang isa ka skill nga kailangan o duha ka skill o tulo ka skill. Depende gyud sa kliyente. That's why you need to upgrade yourself on the learning curves that you need to gain through once you get kung say needs sa imong kliyente. Kay when you venture into VA, it doesn't say nga okay na ko kay na 5 years ng experience. Dili siya. It doesn't say also that okay na ko. I mean, I need to enroll because wala ko kanang skill ani. It's a continuous intensive nga training, upscaling and innovating of what's the trend sa digital space. And the nice thing about it is that money program ni the profile. We will not let once you join the community, we are always here to guide you based on unsay need sa kliyente. Kaya again, your skill may not be, example, if you are a VA and your skill is more of LinkedIn or let's say content, parang requirement ani nga kliyente nga imong masugamagan layo didto. And then kung nag-star ka, wala kay, I don't know how you call that, kana wala kay kampi bitaw nga saan mo na ko niya. Not unlike with the profile, we have a group of experts that they are best on this, they are best on this, they are best on this. And when you have that skill na requirement, naday ka maduulan. That's what the community and camaraderie we have for with the profile. For example, Noelna is very good part of our management team, is an excellent and expert of content. So whenever you have a problem, Noelna will always be there to have a helping hand. We have Dennis, our LinkedIn guru, LinkedIn expert. So when you have problems and issues about LinkedIn approach strategies, you always have a team, a person you can go to. Whereas kung there's nothing wrong, again, there's nothing wrong to be a freelance, mag-inusara ka, but as mentioned by Ken Gina, tools lang daan, skills lang daan nga you need to upgrade. Kung ikaw Raisa, it will take some time, an effort for you to be able to upgrade your skill. But with the community that we have for the profile, we are here to support you in this journey, and be ready. We are preparing you. We are equipping you to be prepared for whoever the client is nga mosulod o ma-join ninyo. Kaya anong hinihintay niyo? Sakay na. Joke. Back to you, Miss Ken.
All right. Thank you so much, OM, no. So yeah, kana lang gid siya actually practical if gusto mo maging honest jud kuno, taas gani kay og standard ang cashier diri sa Pilipinas. So, di ba, required gani nga degree holder na, ana gani. So, how much more is in a career that would actually gonna give you dollars of ROI. So, yeah, that's just, the practical. And before, actually, I'll also gonna, I'll also gonna give you a heads up. Sa una, we do it for free. Like, we have people that we trained na for free. But one thing I learned, people who pays attention. If you invest on something, money is actually a symbol of commitment. So if you have invested on something, that means that you will do whatever it takes to get an ROI out of it. So that's why we actually launched the Profile Academy. And also, syempre, that is the value of our expertise as well. So the value of time that we do have. So yeah, that is it. Anything else? If you don't have any questions, it's already 4:01. So as I've mentioned, this will just be a very quick webinar. Hopefully, we've enlightened you in the industry. Na real talk muna mo sa industry, no? And we're very much excited. Hopefully, some of the people here, we are going to have the chance to work with in the near future. Alrighty. So thank you so much, everyone. Once again, if you are interested in the Profile Academy, just visit our website. You can check it out on the comment section. And you can also message our page in Facebook. It's the profile for any queries that you do have. Kung namoy mahuna-unaan later on, nakalimot ko pangutana. Alright, that being said, thank you so much, everyone. I just want to, wait lang ha, kadali lang. Alright. Okay. Hopefully na at some point, nakahatag sa inyo og idea of what VA is. So, dapat importante gid na you make your research before you enter into something, invest into something, venture out something. Kailangan mag-research good. And that's actually the purpose of this webinar. Kaya di gyud ako matubag isa-isa ang mga pangutana sa ako as a Facebook. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great weekend and bye for now. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you. Bye. Thank you, TM, Nawalna, TO, OM for